I'm going to be doing a DIY. If you're like me, and I'm the type of person that when I go out, I like my body to have like a little shimmer, a little glow, a little whatever. And there are body sprays out there that do sell, you know, their body spray with like shimmer in it, glitter in it, whatever you want to call it. Me personally, I'm very particular with my body sprays, so certain ones I don't like buying, and the smell be like anyways. But the one I used to buy, they discontinued and they do not sell it no more. So I started making my own a couple of, like, I want to say 2 years ago. So I make my own all the time now. So this is one that I made like last week because I ran out. As you can see, it's so pretty. It's literally so pretty. I just shook it because once it sits there, all of it either goes to the bottom or go to the top, and then you just have like a big gap. So yeah, and literally you just need 2 or 3 products depending on the type of person you are, like me, myself. With this one particular one, I used Shea Moisture's Rose Water. This is how it looked like before I peeled the sticker off. And CoverGirl's highlighter. It's just a CoverGirl highlighter pack. Got it at my local Walmart. And Shea Moisture's Rose Water. I'm gonna put up a picture on how this bottle looks like before I took the sticker off. And all I did was, as you can see, I scraped all 3 of the colors, and I scraped it into like a folded piece of paper or my little card I got.
Guys, I was definitely about to say envelope, and I just poured it in. You know what I meant.
So I'm gonna actually make one for you guys now, because if you're extra like I am, you'll like to have 2 different tones. So this was more like my skin color tone, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when you spray it. Oh, I'm gonna spray here. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, I'm ashy. Don't mind my ash on my elbows. Oh, I think I sprayed it on the wrong side. Let's try this again. I see it. I don't know if you guys can see it. You guys probably can't see it, but I do. Okay, so there you go. So it's more like a little shimmery look. As you can see, it's a difference. So yeah, so like when you go out, you know, you go out partying with your friends, you're gonna have like a little gloss. I used it over the weekend when I went out this weekend with my best friend, so it was good. So I'm gonna make a new one. So here's my other bottle. I usually have 2 different ones. So this one's more of like my skin color, and this one's going to be like a real like glossy, shiny, like extra, like I want it. So for this one, I'm using, of course, my rose water, because rose water smells good and it's really good for your skin, and L'Oreal Shimmer. So this is almost like a pinkish shiny shimmer, and I'm mixing it with their like a white shimmer. And once again, bought it from my local Walmart. So what we're going to do with this one is I'm going to mix both of them. Well, I'm gonna do it one by one. So let's start off with, I'm gonna start off with this one first. We're gonna start off with this. So what you're going to do literally is just like that. And if you're like me, you're very extra with yours, and I'm very extra, so I like to add a lot because I want to be very, very shimmery when I go out. Ooh. Oh my god, this smells so good. This rose water from Shea Moisture smells wonderful. And I'm just trying to, there we go, get this to slide down my card, which it is. Some of it got a little stuck. You see, literally just sits up top. I'm gonna add some more of this one. If you're like me, you're like very extra. Oh, let me show you guys the 2 colors. I I meant to do that and I forgot while I'm doing this. So look here. This is like very like pinky. I love that color. So like this is like really going to like, you know, it's really gonna pop. And I'm adding a lot in this one, believe it or not, of this color. I don't know how much of the other color I'm gonna use, but this one I'm adding a lot. And that's because I really want it to like, I'm extra. And if I'm gonna shine, baby, I might as well shine my little butt off. Shine my ass off. And I'm gonna show you guys this color. This is more like, to me, it's more like a lavender type of color, but it looks, wait, they're two beautiful colors. And then when you mix them together, they're really nice. So now I'm gonna add this one. Ooh, that poured a little bit too fast. Alright, so I did one of that. So I'm going to, this looks so beautiful. For my opinion, if you want my opinion, I like this better than, see, when this sits, it separates. That's why you always have to shade. But look at this. This is so nice. This is beautiful. I just like looking at it. I like this. Look at that. That is nice. You see the difference? So let me shake this one up. This one kind of like, so like I said, this is more my skin color, and this is more like a pinkish color, so it's gonna pop more than this one does, because this like more like really blends in with my skin. And I actually want to add a little bit of this to this one, so I might as well do that now, because I feel like this is beautiful, don't get me wrong, but I really want it to pop a little bit like this one does. So this is why I'm adding this one to that. And really, honestly, you can get your own different type of shimmer, your different type of highlighters, whatever you want to add to it, and make it your personal own. This is why I love custom making it, because you make it how you want it. Wow, that made a big difference. Let me show you guys. Look at the difference. It made a difference. Like, I see the difference. And a little goes a long way with that one. It really does. But as you can see, I love this one. This one is like really good. Maybe because this one's more powdery and this one has like more of like a grainy feeling. So be careful on which highlighter you use. This was my first time using this one for this particular color because but it's not bad. Just mix it with a little bit other, so it's not bad. Alright, it's doable. It's doable. But let me show you guys this on my skin. I'm gonna spray it on this side. Like I said, I am extra, so I like to spray a lot on me. And remember, this is like rose water, so you can use different stuff. You don't have to use rose water. You can get your own personal perfume that you like and mix this into that. You can get what body spray, body mist, whatever you use, and you can mix it, like get your own little bottle and mix it in there. It's whatever you like. Like I said, it's whatever you like, whatever you want. So, ooh, man, I'm ashy, guys, don't mind me. Oh, I'm trying to show you guys. I see it. I see it. It's really like hard to show you guys on, and it's rose water, so I have to let it dry. But here you go. Oh, it's running down, and it's running down my arm. But here, now it's coming out. I guess it wasn't coming out like that before, but now it is. So like once this sets and dries, It looks so beautiful. And once again, it's rose water. Rose water smells so good. I love the smell of rose water. But you pretty much understand it. Like, if I mix this together, this is how it looks. Isn't that beautiful? That's like the most beautiful thing. So can you imagine that like on your body? It looks so nice. So that's my DIY. So once again, these are the two different ones that I made. I have my more of a, like, this one's like really gonna pop, and then this one's more like my skin tone color. Which are two beautiful ones. And this is very inexpensive. I got everything at my local Walmart. Which literally you can't go wrong. You're spending $20, maybe more, maybe a little less, no more than $25. You know, it's very cheap, very inexpensive, and it lasts pretty long. Like I said, you can use your personal perfume, whichever perfume you like, or body spray, whatever, and mix it. Or you can go my route and mix rose water. Some people use baby oil. I use baby oil sometimes myself. Baby oil, you can use that. You can mix it, you know, spread it on your hand and spread it on yourself, and there you go. There's so many different ones you can do, so you can choose what you want to use as your base, and you can choose which colors you want to get. Once again, I went with this, and which I love. So as you can see, this one, when it sits, it seeps down to the bottom or the top, and that is with the CoverGirl. I used CoverGirl before, but I feel like because this is more of a heavier, I want to say powder, I guess, or I don't know, it does it this way. This one doesn't really do that. As you can see, it's been sitting and it's just like mixed into the water. But I'm going to put everything that I use down in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Like this video, comment, tell me what other DIYs you would like to see, because I literally DIY almost everything in my life. If there's a way for me to make it and save money, I definitely do it. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.